Hey there, YouTube. This is Crypto Force bringing you another daily dose of crypto. And today I just want to calm people's fears if you're worried about the crypto market. What we're taking a look at here is on World Coin Index. And as you can see, almost every single crypto is in the red by 10, 15%. Some are down even 36%. But Navcoin had that massive rise the last couple of days. So that's perfectly normal for that to go down 36%. Now, the one thing you got to remember is that number one, there's always going to be corrections are normal in a market, especially once it keeps going up hyperbolically and it's going up, up, up. Now, the good thing about crypto market that I've seen so far, it's not like the typical stock market. It's not near as predictable. Even the trend lines, it's like you just know for sure, okay, this thing's got to break and go down this week, and it doesn't. It just, to me, we're in the beginning of it, so the beginning stages, so I think it's a lot more lucrative and volatile, but it's typically more volatile on the upside, in my opinion. But corrections are a normal part of markets. People are going to take their gains they're making and cash out and then wait to buy back in. So I think what you're seeing right now is the price of the markets have gone up for so many straight days now that people sold off and they're making their profits, and they're probably jumping right back in now as these prices are starting to fall. Now, if we look at the chart, this is Bitcoin, and I pretty much associate the whole crypto market based around Bitcoin. So when we look at it, you had that major sell-off in July where Bitcoin, in a matter of a day or two, it went down like $1,000. And, you can see the bottom right here, the tail of the candlestick, and it was down to $1,772 is what it got down to. And then 4 days later, if you go to the top of the tail of the candlestick there, at $2,945. So it went up $1,200 in around 4 days. And what happens is you get people that they start trading on emotions. Do not trade on emotions. Don't panic. I'm telling you. And now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional, but the crypto market is here to stay, in my opinion, and it's only getting stronger every day. So don't panic with emotions and read something that somebody says, like Mark Cuban in June when he said, "Oh, there's going to be a massive crash in cryptos because it's a bubble." And if you look in June right here, let me get rid of this pop-up. When you look at June, the market, when he made that statement, it pretty much, Bitcoin went from around $3,000 and dipped, if you look at the candlestick, all the way down to $2,000. It went down $1,000 in a day because a billionaire made that statement. And that same billionaire now is going all in on a couple ICOs, and he has a much different opinion of the cryptocurrency market now. So, he could have played that to his advantage with all the power that he has to make that statement and buy in cheap. So I'm not saying that he did that. He probably didn't, but people react to emotions and things other people say. Secondly, the higher the market valuation is, it's obviously going to have a bigger drop typically. So the valuation of the crypto market is over 160 billion or so now, and that's going up exponentially. So of course, when we have a pullback, it's going to be larger now, but like I said, watch this market the next couple days. You're going to see it start retracing, and I would say fairly quickly. Just make sure, thirdly, don't overreact. Just sit back. Yeah, it stinks to watch this, the money go down, but we've all seen every day how Bitcoin and most of these altcoins pop right back up, and you can see this on the charts. Today's a pretty big drop, but I'm assuming this is probably pretty much like June. I don't think we'll continue to go down like we did in June. I may be wrong. I may be totally wrong, but I have a feeling that this is just the pullback, and then we're going to see some more explosive prices. And so, just make sure you don't get crazy and start panic selling. And this is really a good opportunity to really evaluate and see what these prices are, because maybe some of this stuff has went down to prices where you're willing to buy in now. And that might make it more feasible to buy in to have a better return on investment down the road. So, take it with a grain of salt. I mean, I'm not a professional, but I think this is just a natural, normal pullback. Some people are getting overzealous and dumping, their coins right away and just trying to, panic bail out, but that happens in every market. So I think we should start seeing an uptrend probably the next day or so. So just sit and watch it, but I don't think this is any kind of a bubble busting by any means. I think crypto is only going to continue to go up now for a while because it's still trying to go mainstream. So let me know what you think. Post in the comments section below, and if you got any information or different ideas, let me know. And as always, Crypto Force signing out.